Well, are people ready for some cake and ice cream?
Yeah.
Good. Was that a dunk?
Should go under?
It was?
She don't mind going under though.
Yeah, we were at Ponte Vedra, they have a kiddie pool. She would go under, but she would hold her
She was
breath.
freaking out. We're going.
High five.
She's fine.
You're doing good. High five.
Well, that's good,
Yeah. All right.
Yay.
Me too.
Ah, I didn't get the first one.
Yay.
I hope I got the second one.
High five. Give us the high five. Yeah.
Yay.
Next one, clapping now.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job. You want to give me another high five? Oh, thank
Yay.
you. You're so sweet.
Yeah.
Your little triceps.
Yeah.
Yay.
I know, like right here.
Yeah.
Just gonna give Nana a high five.
Somebody high five.
Low five.
Yay. You do it to me? Good girl. Yay.
Yay.
Thank you, my song.
Daddy.
Give one to Daddy.
Can't leave you out. Yeah.
Yay.
Look at her little belly.
They're all piled up down
Right?
there.
And only floats. Slow down.
You get right.
Yeah, she doesn't know any other speed.
Mm-hmm. Yay.
Oh. Autumn's first day of school is the other day.
Oh my goodness. That's exciting.
Is she in pre-K? Kindergarten? Pre-K, right? Yeah.
Forgot to ask James how